here we have the menu, top right, we have shopping cart. Now it's 0. And here we have the pizzas, pepperoni, margarita, and so on. When we click on the shopping cart, the cart is empty. 0 items, discount 0, total 0. We click on the cart, come back. Here we add 1 pepperoni. So here you see shopping cart is 1. When we click on it, you can see the pepperoni here. Come back, 1 margarita, 2 rossini, and 2 Greek. So here we have 6 products we have choose, yeah? Then we click on the cart. Here you can see 1 pepperoni, 1 margarita, 2 rossini, and 2 Greek. 6 items here you can see. Total price is $170. Also, when you press on the minus, Greek would be 1, and also the price, yeah, the total and the items. 1 rossini, 4 items, $100. And again, 0 rossini, the rossini will disappear. Greek will disappear. Margarita disappear. And we come back here, again here we have 1 pepperoni, 2 margarita, here you can see. Let's go and design it. Hi everybody, let's create, design these 2 lovely e-commerce pages for a restaurant, somehow a menu. Thank you that you are here. I am very happy. This is a great honor for me. This is demo. Let's do it from scratch. So before anything else, we need a frame. I press F on my keyboard. From the right panel, I choose Android Compact. I change the name to the PLP page. Guys, PLP means product list page. Here is the list of our product. So on the left panel, yeah, I have 3 pages, design, components, and icons. In this page with design, components, I put the components we need to use them or we have used in our product, in our design, and the icons is clear, yeah? We put the icons, the pictures, and so on. So from components, I have 4 or 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 components. I need all of them. I select all of them, Ctrl C, and bring it in my design file of the camera I have made them, yeah? So here is the title bar, bring it here, yeah? When I press Alt W, it sticks to the top, yeah? Align top. Or from the position, you can select this one, yeah? Align top. Then I have the menu, then bring it here. I press Alt S, it sticks to the down, align button. And when I press Alt H, it aligns to the center. So align W top, align S, Alt W top, Alt S down, yeah, bottom, and Alt H middle or center. Before that, okay, I need to use the grids, okay? Layout grid. It helps us to design pixel perfect, to put the components in the, I don't know, a better way, yeah? It makes the design cleaner, yeah? So here on the right panel, I choose layout grid. First of all, you should select your frame. Then on the right panel, layout grid, press plus, then grid. I choose columns, then 4, count 4, then for margin, 16, and the gather, 16. Yes, this is the margin, guys. And these 3, they are the gather. When you turn gather to 24, see that? They will be, the gather would be, the gap somehow would be bigger. 24, we put it 24 to see that design. Very good. Then you can also change the color of that. For example, gray is okay, yeah? A light gray. Very good, very nice. After that, I bring this logo and this, I don't know, somehow a motto here, put it here. When I press Alt, you can see the distance, you can see the gap. 16 pixel is okay. And from the top, 16 is okay. And behind that, yeah, under that, we need the search bar. I think 16 is okay also. And now we don't need this one. I delete it. And on the right side, I need shopping cart icon. So I go to the icons, yeah. Then select shop, this one, this icon. Control C, come back to design and paste it here and put it here. Very good, very nice. Okay, that's okay. So when you select it and press play, you can see the preview of your design. Okay, I think we have to make it a little bit bigger. 32 pixel to 32 is okay. Yeah, very good. 16 pixels from the right. And I select these two and press OW, yeah, to align from top. Now it's very good, very nice. See, when we see the result, that's okay. Also, a little bit, we can bring them down. 16, 24 pixel is okay. Okay, now we want to design the product's card. That is very, very, very important and interesting part. So I press F on the keyboard. Now, if you see that we have 4 sections, 4 columns, yeah, that is our grid. So I draw it. So that's okay, I think. Let's give it a color. I press here, fill. I think black is interesting, yeah? Very good. Now, from the radius, from the appearance, I give 16 pixels for the radius one. See, if you see that, from the left side, 16 pixels, and here exactly on the columns or on the grids. So each product needs a photo. So I press Shift G to hide the grids. Now without grids, okay? Shift G. I go to icons, then I choose one of these pizzas, yeah, margarita. Control C, come back to design, paste it here. So 16 pixels from top, 16 pixels from right, 16 pixels from the left. That's very interesting and it's eye-catching. Each product, guys, needs a name. So I press T on the keyboard, or from here, from this menu, I press T or this one, and I select, all right, for example, name of the product. Yeah, name of the product. So 16 is that's too much. I think 14 pixels is okay. Yeah, so 16, name of pizza, name of product is okay without S. So from the left, 16 pixels, they are aligned together, yeah, and the size is 14 is okay, and each product has a price. So here we have $sign. I select it, Control D, duplicate it, and I write here, for example, 00, yeah. I select these two, press Shift A to make them auto layout, and 2 pixels gap between them. Very good. And again, I select these two and press Shift A, yeah, to make them auto layout, and 6 pixels gap. Very good. And from the product, from the photo, 16 pixels. Now, guys, here we need a button to add or remove the number of the items we need. For example, I need 2 or 3 pizza, 2 or 3 margarita pizza. So again, I press F, select something here, a rectangle, give it a color, white is okay, 12 pixel radius, I think that's too much, 8 pixel is okay. So from the icons, I choose plus and minus icon. Select these two, Control C, come back here, select the this frame, yeah, Control V or paste them here. 24 pixel, but left one, minus is on the left and the plus is on the right. And in the middle, we need a number, for example, 0, yeah, very good, 0, 0, 0. So, and then I select these 3, plus, number, and the minus, press Shift, select these 3, Shift A to make them auto layout. This one, I select fixed width, then I turn it to the 0 and bring it to the middle. Very good, very nice. We can make it a little bit beautiful. So again, I select this frame, press Shift A to make them auto layout, to make it. And this from here, vertical padding, I press 6 pixel is okay. And here horizontal padding 12 pixel is okay. And we have to make it bigger. The card is bigger a little bit. So 16 pixels. From here, I think 24 pixels, yeah. That's okay, 24 pixels. And from the right, 16 is a very good, very nice. So we can change this one to red and change this one to green. Very nice. So this is our card, guys, yeah? So from the bottom 16, from the top 24, 16 pixels, 16 pixel, everything is designed very, very well. Or you can put it in the middle, yeah? This one. That's okay. I love it. That's okay. Let's see the preview. Very good, very nice. That's interesting. Now, guys, I want to make this thing to the component. So I press Ctrl-Alt-K, or on the right panel, yeah, on the top, you can see here, create component. This diagonal, yeah, 4 square icon, yeah. When you press it or Ctrl-Alt-K, it turns to the frame, yeah, to the component. So I rename it to the, for example, I write product or PLP card, yeah. PLP card is okay. This one is photo, name, price, and this CTA we have. So I bring it here. Then you can duplicate it, yeah. Ctrl-C, select the frame, Ctrl-V, this one, 16 from the left. Very good. And I duplicate it again, Ctrl-D, 16 from the right, and 24 pixels between them. Again, I select these two and press Shift-A. Then I duplicate this one to have 2 more products, yeah? And select these two, 1 and 1, and again press Shift-A to have another auto layout, and the gap is 24 pixel. Very good, very nice. So bring it here, 16 pixels, 24 pixels from the top, put it in the middle, and now see the result. Very good. But if you see that, that is top of the menu, we have to solve it, guys. So when we select it here, this line, when you select it and bring it to the top, and on the right panel, click on the clip content, see, it would be better. So the distance 27 pixels, we need 24. 20, I think 24 is okay. Yeah, 24 pixels. So see again the result, that's okay. But there's no scrolling. So go to prototype, select these things, no scrolling, vertical scrolling, overflow. Now see that? You can scroll that. So here we have the products, minus, plus. But now the minus and the plus icons, yeah, they don't work. Let's do it in more professional way and use the tokens. Here is very, very important and professional one. Come back to the design. Very good. So before anything else, I want to make these CTA to the what? To the component. So I duplicate it, bring it here. I press Ctrl-Alt-K and I write, for example, CTA, the name CTA, and Ctrl-C, put it here. I want to put it here, remove the previous one, this one, yeah. Let me put it in the frame. Now it's better. Very good. So 24 pixels from the top, from the left 16 pixels, and 16 pixels from the down. See? If you click here and come back, go to main component, we see that's here. So we have one component here. The other one is the card. In the card, we have some components, yeah? One of them is the picture. The other is our CTA. Come back to design mode. Let's bring this CTA here. Very good. So let's go to the local variable. Here is very, very important part. So I go to local variable here on the right panel, click on that, open variable. Okay, guys, each product, first of all, we need to define the product. So I create variable, number, string is okay. So I rename it collection1 to product. So, oh, I had a typo. Product. Very good. So each product, guys, each product has a name. So has a name. Then each product has a price. So I create variable, number, price. Each product has item count. How many items from that product we have added to the cart. So I select the price, shift enter, I duplicate it. Yeah. So I write item count. Yeah, 0. Up to here, that's very well. Good. So now I have more than one products. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here from the mode, I press the plus 1, 2, 4 products. Yeah. So the first one is pepperoni. Yeah. So let's go to icon, see the pizzas. They are so delicious. The second one is margarita. The third one is Rossini. And the fourth one is, for example, Greek or vegan. Yeah, very good. So see, here we have 4 modes: pepperoni, margarita, Rossini, and Greek. And each of them has name. So the name is pepperoni. The name is margarita. The name is Rossini. Yeah. So with P capital, M capital, and this fourth one is Greek, G capital. Also, we can turn them to capital, Greek, Rossini, and margarita, and then pepperoni. Very good, very nice. That's very interesting. Good. So come back here, guys. Come back to design. Here, I click here and select this one. And on the right panel here, when you see that here is text, and on the right one, when you select the property variable, you can add to the item count. Select this one. Okay. So now here, okay, if you see that, this one, before that, for the name, I select here text name of the product. I write name, and for the price, I bind it to the price. So bind it to the name, bind it to the price, and this one from the mother component, I bind it to the what? To the item count. Now I come back, I go to the children of the components, this one. So on the right side from the appearance, here is very important, guys, pay attention. From the appearance, I select this icon, apply variable mode, product, and change, I change it to pepperoni. See? The next one, I select it, appearance, change it to margarita. See, guys, the name has changed. So let's come back to local variable. Let's define the price. For example, for pepperoni, $10, margarita, 20, Rossini, 30, and Greek, 40. Come back here. If you see that here, pepperoni is 10, margarita is 20. Wow, amazing. Select this one. Appearance, apply variable mode, Rossini. Wow, amazing. And this one, Greek. Wonderful. I cannot tolerate it. Figma, you are amazing. See that here, the preview. Wow and wow. Good. Up to here. Now, I want to use the variables to add, okay, when we press the plus button, I want to do something that the item number goes up, yeah? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here, I press here, the plus button, go to prototype. From interaction, I press button, add, untap. What should we do? Which action I need to use? So I come here, set variable. So which variable I want to change? I want to change this one. So price, item count. When I press that, target is item count. What happened? When I press plus button, the target is item count. And then what I want to do, the item count plus 1, yeah? The value of that should be 1 more. So item count plus 1. Let's see the result. 1, 2, wow. 1, 2, amazing. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Very good. That's the things. So let's come back to design. Yeah. And I want to do one more thing. I want to put, here we have the shopping cart icon. I want to add the badge. When I add the products, yeah, I want to show on my cards also, yeah. So here I press F, guys. Okay, I think 24 pixel is okay. Give it the color, this one. When you press I, you can choose the color. So here from the appearance, radius, I turn it to that look like a circle. Press Shift A to make it auto layout. And here, I align it to the center. So bring it here. I think here is okay. Select these two, press Ctrl G to make them group. From the right side, 16 pixel is okay. Nice. I love it. 16. Wow, interesting. Now, press T, write one number, for example, 0, yeah? And bring it here. So if you see that, the size has changed. So I press Ctrl Z, again select this. From the height, I write fixed width and fixed height. So this one is 12 and not the bold. Regular is okay, yeah? Or medium. 11. Ctrl Z, excuse me, Ctrl X, cut it, select this frame, and Ctrl V. See, if for example we have 100, that's okay, that works. Again, turns it to white. So let's see the result. Here we have it. Okay, now when we want to, when this item wants to work, yeah, we need to define another local variable. So here we have the product. We need to define one more thing, another collection. The name is what? Cart. Yeah, this is our shopping cart. So what are the variables? For shopping cart, we have cart count. Yeah, number, cart count, and then total. So I select this, Shift Enter. All right, total. Very good. And the values are 0. So come back to design. Yeah, select this plus. So what should we do? Up to now. First, now when we press plus, yeah, just these things works, okay? We want, for example, here we have 2 pepperonis, 2 margarita. We want to see 4 here in our shopping cart. So come back to pizza, select these things, go to prototype, select here, create plus, click on the plus, add action. Here, set variable. So what is our target? Our target is cart count. So, and what should we see when we press that? We should have the sum of pepperoni, rossini, margarita, and so. Okay, so item count plus item count. We have 4 products. Okay, now how we should understand when you select, okay, click on each item count, you can see the modes. Pepperoni. You can see the modes Margherita. You can see the modes Rossini, and after that, Greek. Very good. Now, let's see the result, guys. Come back here. When you press +3, okay, nothing works. Let's see what is the problem. Okay, oh, we didn't bind it. So select this 0, come back here, bind it from the text here, apply variable, we bind it to card count. See, 10, see? Here we have 4 pepperoni and 6 margherita. And for example, 2 Rossinis, 12. Very good, very nice. Up to here, it works very well. Now, we want to do something else. When we click on the negative point, yeah, and the minus, we want to see what it reduces. So, again, come back here, click on the minus, interaction, and on here on tap, what should we do? Set variable, and the card count, first of all, is the item count. So the target is item count, and item count minus 1. Let's see the result. Okay, when you see that, it goes to negative numbers. That is false. We should do something. So instead of here, instead of set variable, we should use condition, guys. So go to conditional, write if, there's a condition here, if the item count, if item count is greater than 0, then do this action, yeah? If item count is greater than 0, then set item count to item count minus 1. Let's see that. Here, it doesn't work, yeah? Let's turn it to the plus. See, it doesn't work. When you press on that, it doesn't work, yeah? Up to here. But guys, if you see that, nothing happened to the card count. When we press minus, nothing happened. So we should write something else. Okay, again, select this one. Yeah, for the negative one, what should we do? Again, here, write another action. Here, set variable, we write item count. Yeah, that's for card count. What should we do? We should do the things we have done it for the plus button. So item count plus item count plus item count on plus item count here, pepperoni, margherita, Rossini, and then Greek. See, let's see the result, guys, to see. Let's come back here. Plus 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Very good. It works now. Here we have, it works. Very good. Very nice. Up to here, it works perfectly. So, but our job is not done yet. We need PDP pages. PDP page. Here is very, very important. So, I select PLP page, Control D, duplicate it, remove these cards. Okay, here we have these things. We don't need the card, we don't need this one, we don't need the search bar. So here, instead, here we have back icon. Here we write, for example, card, and then, oops, come back to design mode. Go to icons, select this one, this chevron, yeah, back one, come back to design, Control V, paste it here, 12 is okay, select these two, Shift A, yeah, auto layout, 4 pixels is very good, and 16 pixels from the left. 12, 16 pixels, very good. And on the right side, guys, what do we have? We have a number, for example, 0. Then I have what? Item or items. To show that how many items I have added to the cart. Here we can write PLP no. Here I can write cart. Yeah, here's our cart page. So this one, wow, 4 is okay, I think. Yeah, interesting. So select these two. From the right, we need to have 16 pixels. Select these two things, yeah. Then Shift A, I have the auto layout. Very good, very nice. And on the bottom, what do I have? I have the total, yeah. So here I write total. Whoa. Total, yeah. And then on the right side, I have what? $sign, yeah, plus the number. For example, 0. I select these two, Shift A auto layout. 4 pixel is okay, yeah. Then I go to the right, 24, 16. Select these two things, auto layout, 16, 16, 24. I think very well, very well. And 24 pixels or 16 pixels from the button. So when we click here, go to prototype, I want to come back here. And when I click here, I want to come back here to the PLP page. So let's see the result. Select and then come back. Select, come back. Very good. Now, here, this one, I want to see the numbers. Okay, I can make it 1, for example, 14. Let's see. I bind it to item count, no, cart count, yeah? Cart count is better. So see, here we have 8. Then we click it. Nothing happened. 10 items, yeah. Here we have 12, and then here we have 12 items. Very good, very nice. So up to here, it works. So minus and turn to 6. Here we have 9. Here we have 9 items. Now we want to see the total, guys. Yeah, to see the total price. So what should we do? Again, come back here. Yeah, press on the plus, prototype, select here. I should write one more thing. So set variable total. So what is the formula? Price, yeah, multiply item count. Price multiply item count plus the other items, price and item count. So price multiply item count plus price multiply, yeah, item count plus price here and then item count and the last one. Multiplication and the item count. So I select all of them, yeah. Price pepperoni, item count pepperoni. Price margarita, item count margarita. Price rossini, item count rossini. Price Greek, item count Greek. Very good, very nice to see that. So let's see the result, guys. So here 1, 2, 1, 2 here. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, we didn't bind it. So let's bind it to the total. So select this one, then this one, and then choose total. See, let's come back. 2, 3 items, $50 is okay. So 20, 40, and 10. So when we add this one, it should be 90. Yeah, very good. And negative, nothing happened. You know what? Because we didn't define it for the negative one. So let's go and do the same thing, yeah, for the negative one. So here, I write another thing, set variable, yeah, bring it here. Then total, so price multiplication, yeah, price item count plus price item count plus price multiplication item count and plus price multiplication item count. Then pepperoni, then margarita, price margarita. Then after that, so pepperoni, price here is margarita. The third one is Rossini, item count Rossini, and the last one, what is the last one? Let's bring it top. Here, the last one, price Greek, item count Greek. Let's see the result again. Come back here. So here is one. It should turn to $40. Very good. Now, $40, $20 should work here. Very good. Now you can see the result. Here, the dollars, the items, and so on. Now, here we want to do one more interesting thing. When we add one product, we want to see the added products card here. So in this page, we need to design one card icons, yeah, one product card. So press F, select here, see that, 16 pixels. What is the width of that? 38. Yeah, here, then fill it with this color. Yeah, very good. 16 pixels. Nice. So we need one product icon, Control C and Control V. That's a little big. 138. No, smaller. I think 8 pixels from the left, or 16 from the left and 16 from the top. 110 pixels, middle, 16, very good. Here we need to have the name. I duplicate and select these things from here. This one and this one. Select here and duplicate it here. Bring it here. The pepperoni, and it works. Let's see. Very good. So here we have the name, here we have the price, and here we have this button. Again, because we duplicated from these things, they are, yeah, for example, this one is bind to name, has bind, yeah, and this one is to price, and also it is from the component, yeah, the original one, and it shows that everything works well here. Okay, so 16 from top, and 16 from this here, and 26. So 16, and we can make it, let's see, to see the 16 from also from bottom, yeah, 14, one more, yeah, 16, and then 16, but this one, we need to, for example, let's test 100 pixel and 100 pixel, see what's the result. Yeah, very good. And these two together, 16 from the left. This is the final card. So if you see the result here, we have it. See, if you press plus negative, you can see the items, you can see the total, they change also. Now I turn it to component, Control Shift K, bring it here. This is our 3 components, yeah. I write, for example, here cart. Cart is okay. Then now I want to add one more thing to our local variable. Yeah, here create variable in our product, and I write is added to cart. Yeah, that's the boolean, is added to cart, and that is false. Yeah, that is false. Why I do these things? Because in this page I want to duplicate it here, and when there is no items added to the cart, so we don't see anything, and when we add, we want to see that it will appear. So I duplicate it here, Control C, Control V here, bring it here. Very good. For example, 24 pixel. then duplicate it, Shift A, 24 pixels. We have 4 products. So this one is to pepperoni, this one product margarita, and this one is Rossini, and the last one is what? Greek. So when we go back here, the pepperoni P here is small, so we can turn it to capital. Okay, now you see that here is pepperoni. Very good. So here we have the items, yeah, and that's from top, and it works very, very well. Now I bind this card, yeah, from appearance. I right click on the eye and add it to false. See, here you cannot see that, but here also you cannot see that. So when we come back here, 1 2 3 1 2 3, here we cannot see that. We want to do something that when we click to this, when we choose one product, yeah, we want to see the chosen product here. So what should we do, guys? Here we have one thing, plus here, go prototype. We want to write a condition here, yeah? We want to write a condition here. Okay, so press on the plus and write conditional, and I write here, if, yeah, if item count is greater than 0, it means that it is 1. What should we do? Here is the condition. Set variable is added to cart to true. Yeah, is added to cart to true. Very nice. So here I bring it here. So first of all plus, and then do the same things, and then finally to see. Let's see the result. Come back here. Here is 4. Wow, margarita appeared here. See, again, come back to design here, margarita, pepperoni. See here we have margarita, pepperoni. Then here also we have, come back, Rossini 1, Rossini, then cart, come back to cart. Here we have Greek. And then here we have also Greek. Now let's do the same things for the negative one. When it's less than 0, less than 1 or equal to 0, again we should change, yeah, the value to the false. Let's go and do this. So select on the negative one, yeah, and here we have the condition. If, what is the condition? If item count equal to 0, so what should we do? The action set variable is added to cart to false. Yeah, is added to cart to false. Very good, to false. Now, so here first of all, it reduced the item count. Then we check we can set the cart count here. Top of that, first set cart count, then if the item count, and finally the total. So let's see the result. Come back here. Again, for example, Rossini is 2. Rossini is 2. Where's the Rossini is 2? See, when it turns to 0, it will disappear. 0. 0. And it turns to 0. Cart 0 0 0. 1 1. Here you can see 1 1. Then 2 2. The items, 4 items, the price. Pay attention to the items, to the price. Cart 1 1 2 2. Here we have 4 products. I turn, yeah, the pepperoni to 0. Wow, amazing. That's amazing, guys. Okay, now we can also make our cards better, yeah? Click on this icon. On the right panel, select this icon, yeah? Create instance swap property. Say the pizza photo. Yeah, pizza pic. That's okay. Then for here, we can write the pizza name, but we don't need that because we have the modes on that. Here I click on this card, that's pepperoni, yeah, margarita, but the name is pepperoni. We can choose the pepperoni. The second one is margarita, yeah, that's okay. The third one is rossini, yeah, and the fourth one is Greek. And also we can do the same things for these components, yeah. We can select on this one, go here, margarita, and give it the name, for example, card pizza pic. And do the same things here in the card options, yeah, because here you have the cards options and so on. So for your, I don't know, homework or your practice, you can do one more thing, guys, yeah? You can add, I duplicated here, you can add the discount here, yeah? Discount. What do I mean? I mean that when, for example, imagine that you can change the design of the cards, add the price, for example, I don't know, discount badge here, for example. Let me draw something, yeah, give it, for example, red, yeah. Then I write, for example, 10%, yeah. You can add it here and select these two and bring it here, yeah. Imagine that. So it's, the price is not now, the price is not $10. Yeah, for example, I don't know, 2%, for example, 2%, yeah. When you have 2%, it means that here the price is not $10, yeah. That is, it has 2% off, yeah. You can, for example, add a line here and write another price here. And then here, when the product has a price, you can add it here and minus the discount of that price, yeah? Okay, very good, very well. Okay, guys, finally, I want to move these three components to the components page. So let me delete this one, yeah? Then I select this one, and then I select this one, and this one, yeah? So I hold shift, this one and this one, right click on them, and then move to page, okay? Move to components. See, if I go to components page, they are here. So then bring it here. Now I have my three components here. Then let me put it, these three in the frame that you can see and find it better. Very good. And finally, you can follow me here in Figma. I put whole the design in the community, yeah. See here, demo design, yeah. If you see that, let me make a screenshot here. See here, master prototyping using tokens. Here you can find these design and these tokens and everything you need. So here again, demo design, you can go figma.com/demo design. You can go and follow me. Thank you very much, guys. That's a great honor for me that you have watched this somehow long tutorial. Hope this video is useful for you. Please support us with your comments, with your likes, and introducing us to your friends. Thank you. This is Demo. Till next session.